This is how to make a full 40-pint cider at home using a simple cider kit. Start by adding the dried fruit pack and dextrose pack into a 25-litre fermentation bucket. Now pour in 4 litres of boiling water and stir well until everything is fully dissolved. Next, add the liquid fruit concentrate pouch and mix it in thoroughly. Check the temperature, and once it cools below 55 degrees, add the enzyme sachet and stir again. Leave this to stand for around 2 hours. After that, top the mixture up with cold water to 23 litres. Then stir well to combine everything. Now add the yeast, nutrient and sweetener sachets and give it a final mix. Fit the lid and airlock, then leave it to ferment in a warm place. Within a day, you'll see bubbling as fermentation begins. Leave it for around 5 to 7 days until fermentation is complete. Once finished, add the flavor sachet, stir it in, and leave it for 24 hours. Now pour the cider through a sieve or straining bag into another clean bucket, removing the fruit and most of the sediment. Next, siphon the cider into bottles, leaving space at the top. Add 1 rounded teaspoon of sugar per bottle, then seal and gently invert to mix. Leave the bottles in a warm place for 7 days to condition, then move them somewhere cool. After clearing, your cider is ready. Pour into a glass, light, crisp and refreshing with a natural fruity flavour. This makes around 40 pints of cider at home. Check the link in the description to get the exact kit.